over the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm so excited to have you on this channel. If this is your first time, thank you very much. Please do like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button if it's not your first time. Thank you very much for always watching and engaging with my content. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what to expect in the forthcoming May 2023 ICAN Advanced Audit and Assurance examination. So if you're writing Advanced Audit and Assurance in the forthcoming May 2023 examination, this is for you. I want you to grab a chair, sit, take notes, pay attention to everything I'm going to be sharing in this video, and take action. The aim of this video is to give you direction, to give you speed, and to help you get properly prepared for this forthcoming examination. All right, so very quickly, I'm diving straight into what I've got for you. All right, so I've done this using three major categories. As you can see, I have three basic colors here. This for this color, you should give premium priority. For yellow, you should give priority, and for blue, you should pay attention. I'm going to be explaining how you should do this as I proceed. All right, so here are the topics or categories you should give premium priority. Now, for audit approach and planning, this topic has been examined heavily. It's one of the major topics, crucial topics in advanced audit and assurance, and it's been examined 26 times from November 2014 up to November 2022. In fact, two times in last diet. So this tells you that you should give premium priority, give premium attention to audit approach and planning. The next topic you should give premium priority to is your audit evidence. So I want you to pay attention to audit evidence. It's been examined 16 times from May 2015 up till November 2022. That's last diet. In fact, three times, uh, three different questions in last diet. Also, you should expect this in your 2023 examination. It might be in May, it might be in November, but you should get prepared just in case. Okay, so the next topic you should give premium attention to is rules of professional conduct. Rules of professional conduct. Now, this has been examined 11 times from November 2014 to May 2021. So, I want you to give premium priority to this because, in fact, you might be meeting this in your May 2023 examination. So, give premium attention to rules of professional conduct. You also want to give premium priority to your reporting. Reporting has been examined 11 times from May 2015 to November 2022. Reporting is also a topic that ICAN does not joke with. So you shouldn't joke with reporting. So once you're done paying attention or giving premium priority to these topics, you want to move to the ones highlighted in blue. So you want to pay attention to your evaluation and review. It's been examined 13 times up to November 2021. Pay attention to evaluation and review. In fact, you might be meeting that in your May 2023 examination. You also want to pay attention to your regulatory environment. Pay attention to regulatory environment. It's been examined 6 times. The last time was May 2022. Also, you want to pay attention to your professional responsibility and liability. The last time this was examined was November 2018. So it's highly probable that you might be meeting this in your May 2023 examination. For the ones that were not colored, once you're done with the ones that have been colored, you can now pay attention to these other ones. For example, your practice management, it's not likely, but of course, you're expected to complete the syllabus before examination. So this is just to give you speed as you revise, and for those that are still struggling and that have not completed the syllabus, you also might want to use this video to point you in the right direction. Okay, so once again in this video, I've shared with you the topics that are probable in the forthcoming May 2023 examination. I hope you use this information to prepare yourself adequately and to revise properly towards the forthcoming examination. I would love you to act on this, and also I would like to get feedback from you. Did you get any value from this video? Please do let me know. Drop it in the comments. And if you also want me to do videos on particular papers, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. If it's your first time again, please do like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button as I share other videos on what to expect in the forthcoming ICAN examination. If it's not your first time, thank you very much for always watching my videos. I'll see you in the next video.